Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy to have you here today. How are you, David?
I'm doing great, Alice. I had a wonderful morning. What about you?
I'm doing well too, but my morning was a little busy.
Ah yes, mornings can be very busy. Today, we are going to talk about exactly that. Our topic today is, talk about your morning.
Yes, we will talk about my daily routine in English. This is an easy practice for beginners.
It is perfect for level A1 and level A2 learners. We will speak slowly. We will use simple words.
So, if you are cooking, driving, or just relaxing, you can listen easily. Before we start, please take 1 second to click the subscribe button.
Yes, please subscribe and hit the like button. It helps our channel a lot. Thank you so much.
Okay, David, let's start. Tell me, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
Wow, 6 a.m.? That is very early.
Yes, it is early. Let's repeat that for our listeners. I wake up at 6 a.m. Alice, what about you? What time do you wake up?
Oh, I am not a morning person, David. I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
7:30 a.m. That is not too late, but it is later than me. Listeners, look at the phrase, I wake up. This means you open your eyes in bed.
Exactly. I wake up. Let's say it slowly. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. But David, waking up is different from getting up, right?
Yes, that is a very important point. I wake up means I open my eyes, but I get out of bed or I get up means my feet touch the floor.
For me, I wake up at 7:30 a.m., but I get up at 7:45 a.m. I stay in bed for 15 minutes.
I know. It is so warm and comfortable in bed. It is hard to get up. Let's repeat these two phrases. I wake up. I get up.
Let's practice together. I wake up. I get up. David, what do you do right after you get up?
The very first thing I do is drink a big glass of water.
Ah, water. That is very healthy.
Yes, it helps me feel awake. I drink water. Listeners, what do you do first? Do you drink water? Or do you check your phone?
Oh, I am bad, David. I check my phone first. I open my eyes, I get up, and then I check my messages.
Many people do that, Alice. It is a modern habit. But drinking water is better for your body.
You are right. I should try to drink water first. Okay, after you drink water, what is next in your daily routine?
Next, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth.
Brushing teeth is very important. Let's say that slowly. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. I use a toothbrush and toothpaste. It takes about 2 minutes.
I do that too. I get up, I check my phone for 1 minute, then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, and then I wash my face.
Oh yes, I wash my face. That feels so fresh, especially with cold water.
Yes, cold water helps me wake up completely. I wash my face with cold water.
Let's repeat these simple actions. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Perfect. Now, David, do you take a shower in the morning or in the evening?
I always take a shower in the morning. It is part of my morning routine. I take a shower.
Me too. I take a shower in the morning. It makes me feel clean and ready for the day.
Do you use hot water or cold water for your shower?
Oh, hot water, definitely. Even in summer, I like warm water. I cannot do cold showers.
Cold showers are difficult, but they give you a lot of energy. Sometimes I try it, but most days I like warm water too. So, the phrase is, I take a shower.
Let's repeat it slowly. I take a shower.
Some people say, I take a bath. A bath is when you sit inside a tub of water. A shower is when water comes from above.
Yes, that is a good difference to know. For a quick morning routine, a shower is much faster.
Exactly. After my shower, I dry myself with a towel, and then I get dressed.
I get dressed. This means you put on your clothes for the day.
Yes, I get dressed. Right now, I am wearing a simple blue t-shirt and jeans. Alice, how do you choose your clothes? Does it take a long time?
Oh, yes. It takes me a long time to choose my clothes. Sometimes I stand in front of my closet for 10 minutes. I ask myself, what should I wear today?
That is funny. For me, it is very fast. I choose my clothes the night before. So in the morning, I just put them on. It takes 1 minute.
Wow, David, you are so organized. That is a great idea. Choosing clothes the night before saves a lot of time. Let's practice the phrase, I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Excellent. Now, after you get dressed, your body is ready. What about your stomach? Are you hungry?
Oh yes, I am always hungry in the morning. It is time for breakfast.
Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. What do you usually eat for breakfast, David?
I usually eat eggs and toast. It is simple, fast, and healthy. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast. Let's repeat that. I eat breakfast. Sometimes people say, I have breakfast. Both are correct, right, David?
Yes, absolutely. You can say, I eat breakfast or I have breakfast. They mean the same thing.
I usually have oatmeal with fruit. I love bananas and strawberries in my oatmeal. It is sweet and delicious.
That sounds very good, Alice. Do you make it yourself?
Yes, I do. I make breakfast. It takes about 5 minutes.
Let's look at that phrase, I make breakfast. This means you cook or prepare the food. Then, I eat breakfast means you put the food in your mouth.
Yes, don't confuse them. You must make breakfast before you can eat breakfast.
Exactly. What about drinks? What do you drink in the morning?
I must have coffee. If I do not drink coffee, I am like a zombie. I need my morning coffee. I drink coffee.
A lot of people need coffee in the morning. I drink tea. I prefer green tea or black tea. I do not drink coffee very often.
Black tea is nice too. So, listeners, do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? Let's say the phrases slowly. I drink coffee. I drink tea.
Good. Let's do a quick review of the verbs we used for food and drinks. We say, eat breakfast or have breakfast. We say drink coffee or have coffee.
Yes, the word have is very useful in English. You can say, I have eggs, I have oatmeal, I have coffee, or I have tea.
That makes it very easy for beginners to remember. Just use have for everything you eat and drink.
That is a great trick. Okay, so now we have walked through the early morning. Let's repeat the sequence together so our listeners can hear the natural flow of English in daily life.
Great idea. I will say my routine using short sentences. Listen closely to the verbs.
I am listening.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6:05 a.m. I drink a glass of water. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I eat eggs and toast. I drink tea.
Wow, that was perfect and very clear. Now let me say my routine. It is a little different.
Let's hear it, Alice.
I wake up at 7:30 a.m. I stay in bed. I check my phone. I get up at 7:45 a.m. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a hot shower. I get dressed. It takes 10 minutes to choose my clothes. Then I make oatmeal. I eat breakfast and I drink a big cup of coffee.
Fantastic! Listeners, did you hear the differences? David wakes up early and drinks tea. Alice wakes up a bit later and drinks coffee. Every daily routine is unique.
Yes, and that is completely fine. The important thing is knowing how to talk about it in English.
Exactly. Now, Alice, what happens after breakfast? Do you leave the house immediately?
No, I work from home some days, and some days I go to the office. On days I go to the office, I leave the house at 8:30 a.m.
I leave the house. Let's repeat that phrase. I leave the house. This means you walk out of your door to go somewhere else.
Yes, I leave the house at 8:30 a.m. David, do you leave the house for work?
Yes, I do. I leave the house at 7:30 a.m. I start work earlier than you.
How do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I do not drive. I take the bus.
Ah, public transport. I take the bus. Let's say that slowly. I take the bus to work.
Yes, I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes. During the bus ride, I like to listen to podcasts or read a book. It is a good time to practice listening, just like our viewers are doing right now.
That is a wonderful use of time. For me, when I go to the office, I drive my car.
I drive my car. Let's look at that phrase. I drive. Alice sits in the driver's seat and moves the car. David sits on the bus.
Yes, traffic can be bad in the morning, so sometimes I drive and feel a little stressed. But I like to listen to music in the car. It helps me relax.
Music is great for traffic. Let's share some other ways people go to work or school. Some people walk.
Yes, I walk to work. That is great exercise.
Some people ride a bicycle or cycle to work.
I ride my bike. That is very popular in many cities.
And some people take the train or take the subway.
Let's repeat all of these travel phrases slowly. Listeners, repeat after us. I take the bus. I drive my car. I walk. I ride a bicycle. I take the train.
Very good. This is how we talk about our morning commute. The commute is the journey from home to work or school.
What about the people who do not leave the house? Like me on my work from home days.
For those days, you can say, I work from home.
Yes, I work from home. My routine is much shorter on those days. I do not need to leave the house, and I do not need to take the bus or drive.
That sounds very comfortable. You can sleep a little longer.
Yes, exactly. I love work from home days because my morning is very quiet and peaceful.
Now, let's talk about what happens when we arrive. I arrive at work or I get to work.
I get to work at 9 a.m.
And I get to work at 8 a.m. We can also say, I start work.
I start work. That is a very common phrase. Let's say it together. I start work.
I start work at 8 a.m. The first thing I do at work is open my computer and check my emails.
Oh yes, I check my emails too. That is how most work days begin.
Let's repeat that phrase. I check my emails.
Great. Let's do a little interactive practice for our listeners now. We have learned many phrases. Let's ask some simple questions to help them think in English.
Excellent idea. Listeners, we will ask a question and we will pause. Try to answer the question out loud or in your head using the simple phrases we learned.
Question number 1. What time do you wake up?
Good. You can say, I wake up at 7 a.m. or I wake up at 8 a.m.
Question number 2. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
Great. You can answer, I drink coffee or I drink tea. Or maybe, I do not drink coffee or tea, I drink water.
Question number 3. How do you go to work or school? Do you drive, take the bus, or walk?
Wonderful! You can say, I drive my car, I take the bus, or I walk to school. This is fantastic practice, everyone.
It really is. Speaking out loud is the best way to improve your English skills. Even if you make a small mistake, it is okay. Mistakes are how we learn.
Yes, absolutely. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Especially when they haven't had their morning coffee.
That is very true. Let's repeat the key vocabulary phrases from today's lesson one more time, very slowly and clearly, so you can memorize them easily.
I will say the phrase, and David, you can repeat it.
Ready when you are.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Get up.
Get up.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Wash my face.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Make breakfast.
Make breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Drink coffee.
Drink coffee.
Leave the house.
Leave the house.
Take the bus.
Take the bus.
Start work.
Start work. Perfect. These phrases are the foundation of talking about your daily routine in English. Yes, if you know these phrases, you can talk about your morning to anyone in English. It is a great conversation starter when meeting new friends. You can ask them, what is your morning routine like?
That is a very friendly and natural question to ask.
Well, we are nearing the end of our conversation today. We hope this slow and simple English practice was helpful for your listening and speaking skills.
We love making these videos for you. Before you go, we want to build a connection with you. Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up and what do you eat for breakfast?
Yes, please write your answer in simple English in the comment section below. We read your comments and love seeing your practice.
Thank you for watching and listening today. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful morning tomorrow.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.